have a Emax digital servo that drives the camera on my plane. Unfortunately, it only turns through 90 degrees, and I would like to look towards the rear of the plane while flying. So I built a 3D printed gearbox that enables the servo to rotate the camera through about 240 degrees. Ignore the cog at the bottom, that's just there to hold the box upright. Inside you can see the servo and the servo plate, two cog gears and the little bracket fixing that holds the camera. It is all enclosed in a 3D printed body. All the 3D printed parts are available as STL files on Thingiverse. Taking a look at the construction of each individual component, this is the base of the gearbox, and we add the servo. Don't screw it down yet, you'll need to adjust the gear positions later. To the servo is screwed the servo arm with a screw into the top of the servo, and then we add the 3D printed servo arm cover. Again, it's fixed to the servo arm with two screws, and then to that we add the 32 gear wheel fixed with two screws. We position the 16 gear wheel onto the hub. We then add the cap to that, but we can screw the cap down now. That holds the gear wheel in place. We add the camera mount to the gear wheel and fix it down with two screws, and then we can add the side plate, and that's held down with three screws, and then finally we can add the top plate, which is held down with a layer of glue.